Chhuk Chhuk TV. Please subscribe.
Today is Father's Day. And Papa says he's going to cook the best meal ever. Chef Papa is ready.
Look how confident he is. Oops! Too much flour. Now Papa looks like a funny snowman.
Oh no! The pancake landed on Papa's hat.
Good thing Sia is here. The best chefs work together.
Behold, my culinary masterpiece.
Wow, Papa. It looks amazing.
And the award for Best Dad Chef goes to Papa.
Papa! Happy Father's Day to all the amazing dads around the world. We love you, Papa.